Hi everyone, my name is Shaun and I'm a part of the customer success team here at MyWorks. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the ways MyWorks Sync can help automate mapping for you, in particular Shopify collections, and you can map those to QuickBooks products and or QuickBooks classes and or QuickBooks locations. So for example, if we were to visit our MyWorks Sync app here in our Shopify admin, we can see here's the option to map stuff, and here's all the different data types we can map, and here's our collections. So for example, here in our collections, you can see for my indoor, outdoor, and rugs collections in Shopify, I've mapped them to QuickBooks products of indoor, outdoor, and carpets. So anytime they're ordered, those are the products our sync would use for any items inside of those collections. And similarly, we've mapped indoor, outdoor, and rugs in terms of classes here in QuickBooks. You can see locations are used a bit differently, but say we wanted to, we could as well if we wanted to, map directly to that collection. If I chose to, or the only time other mappings would take priority is if I had chosen to map my individual products. And remember, these product mappings is somewhere we would come if our products were already in Shopify and in QuickBooks when we installed MyWorks, and we just wanted to indicate which QuickBooks product corresponds to which Shopify product. So for example, here's one of my indoor products inside my indoor collection. We can see it's unmapped right now. And so if this were ordered and that order syncs to QuickBooks as an invoice, for example, in QuickBooks, because it forms a part of that indoor Shopify collection, I would expect the product in QuickBooks to be indoor and the class in QuickBooks as well to be the indoor furniture class. But if I had gone ahead and mapped this to the corresponding QuickBooks product, then I would expect on the invoice in QuickBooks that the line item here instead would show as the QuickBooks product Chase Lounge. We would keep that class mapping, but at least the direct Shopify to QuickBooks product mappings would take priority. Thanks so much for watching. Mapping Shopify collections is available on all our MyWorks Sync plans. It's also possible with Shopify and QuickBooks Desktop. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about how we can help you automate accounting for your business, feel free to chat with our demo team. The link for that is in the description. Thanks.